hello there. I'm going to be trying these Candy Original Caramelized Biscuits. Sorry for the air conditioning being loud. Excuse me. Here's the packaging. I'm thinking these will be one that I might enjoy because I do like caramelized stuff. It's a busy day today out. You hear the traffic and there's the air conditioning. It's hot out, so have to have the air conditioning going. Okay, when I open the package, let me show you what I'm seeing. Biscuits will look like that. Oh, it's too humid out here. Okay. I just was starting to try this. I'll have to edit these two together, but it was so humid out, my camera lens was starting to fog up, so. They're sweet. They have a good crunch, but they're also really crumbly, so they break down very quickly. You get a little bit of the caramely flavor. But it's not super strong. But it is there. Yeah. These are tasty. Here.
Are they?
Yeah, come over here.
Hi. Aww.
But yeah, I think they're pretty good. Oh yeah, you like it? Here, you can have the rest of this little sleeve because there's a whole other sleeve in here. We have one more.
No more.
I'll just have a bit.
Yeah, oh good.
Yeah. Well, if you've ever had Candy's Original, let me know in the comment section what you found of it. I'll see if I find it online if I can. Oh, hey. If I can find it online, I'll put a link below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye-bye.